Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in a daily newspaper of Tuesday, January the 28th, 2025. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 JigSaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. And the news of today, well, let me count down, because we have 20 puzzles to go. Then we will have 10k on YouTube, and it will be the end. Yeah. So in 3 or 4 days, the finish is near. All right. This one will be number 9981. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, let me see which number I can pick. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And look, we have a 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 should be here, and the 1 and the 6 goes there as a pair. Alright. 5, 5. Then, let me see. 7. 8 and the 2 and the 2. Alright. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left. 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in this column. No, 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so they'll come next. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. 6 need a 6 there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 3. Okay. Then need a 6 here. 6 there. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. Well, 5. We have a pair. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 6. We have 5 and the 6 in this row. No 5 and the 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 and a 6 in this column. So no 5 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. 6, 5, 5, 5, 5. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for 4 in this big square. Should be there. 1. Need a 7 here. I need a 3 here. Come on. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. 4 there. Okay. 4. Need a 4 here. Come on. Need a 3 here. Need a 9. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 3 there. 3. Okay, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers, 1 missing numbers of 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left on the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above from that row. The only 2 places left of 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column 3 in the only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we need a 9 there. Need a 1 here. Okay, and now need a 7 there. Come on. 2, 7, 2. In this big square, we need a 2. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 2. Come on. 192. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8. 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. And look, we have 1 and a 9 in this column. No 1 and a 9 in this box. 1 and then 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 2. 2 in the last, in this column, 2 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this one, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, okay. 7, I need a 6. And I need a 8. In this big square, we need 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can't be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column 3. The middle column, the only place level 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 6 in the 5, we have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes at there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. No, we already have 3. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so in the row 3 in the second row. The only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. We have 8 in that column, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then let me see, 2 and 7, I believe. Yeah, 7 and 2. Okay. I need a 4 here. How about the number? What one box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row, both on that row. The only place left with 5 should be there. 4 in the 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left with 9 should be there. One box left now in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 2 and 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2, 2, okay. 1 and a 9. Here, 1 and a 9, we already have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7 cannot fill this yet. How about 1 and a 6? Then need a 6 there. 1, 6, and the 7. I need a 7 here. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers. Oh no, one of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. Here we have a 7, here we have 7. That means in this column we need a 7 there. Because here cannot be a 7 because we have 7 in the third row, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have 7 in this row, no 7 there. Only place level 7 should be there. So I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the third column for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column 3, no, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Here 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. Oh, well, no, we have here 1 and a 6. We already have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left. The 6 goes together with the 7 as appear. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 1. 2 is missing. 2 and the 7, we have a 7 now in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 14 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Let me give this a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well, please with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.